Hi, welcome to Rocket Health Tips. In today's video, we will talk about 6 reasons why you have to stop eating fast food. Fast food is packed with saturated fat, bad cholesterol, bad carbs, sodium and sugar. It's also devoid of vitamins and minerals your body truly needs. This is the reason why turning your back on fast food comes with so many favorable effects on your health. Please note that watch the entire video to get full details about 6 reasons why you have to stop eating fast food. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest health tips and videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, you will lose weight. There are a couple of reasons why ditching fast food can help you get rid of excess pounds. First, you are eliminating loads of saturated fat, bad types of carbohydrates and refined sugar from your diet, all of which can cause unnecessary weight gain. Second, you are no longer going to feel hungry all the time because your body will be supplied with the nutrients it really needs. At number 2, you will obtain glowing skin. Fast food is considerably lacking in fiber, which is something that sweeps toxins out of your body. Adding insult to injury is the fact that fast food itself is flooded with toxins. By getting rid of treats that do not help flush out toxins and also actually introduce more toxins into your body, circulation to your skin improves, allowing your skin cells to get all the oxygen and nutrients they need cause your complexion to glow. At number 3, you will have normal blood sugar. Due to the fact that fast food is teeming with bad carbs and sugar, it's not unlikely for your blood sugar to remain elevated all the time. According to health authorities, that's something that can considerably increase your risk of having type 2 diabetes. Having the said disease leaves you with no choice but to permanently say goodbye to fast food unless your intention is to encounter the many serious health complications of type 2 diabetes. At number 4, you will have lowered heart disease risk. Fast food contains everything necessary for your cholesterol levels and blood pressure to go off the charts. 2 of the various risk factors for heart disease are having high bad cholesterol and high blood pressure. Being obese or overweight is something that regular intake of fast food brings, and such is regarded by doctors as a risk factor for heart disease and various other medical conditions. At number 5, you will enjoy pain-free joints. Toxins found abundantly in fast food can cause inflammation to happen within you, experts say. There are many different unfavorable things that chronic inflammation can bring, and having painful and swollen joints is one of those. It's for this reason exactly why turning your back on fast food can help save your joints from feeling achy. By the way, losing excess weight due to eliminating fast food from your diet is also favorable for your joints. At number 6, you will have better mood. Not too long ago, a study revealed that individuals who ate a lot of fast food were 51% likelier to suffer from depression than those who ate it rarely or never. If you love having fast food but you hate having to see everything in a negative light, perhaps it's time for you to switch to a healthier eating habit. It's not just toxins in fast food that can cause depression, but also everything else that it can do, such as weight gain, breakouts and chronic pain. Can you think of some other perks of quitting fast food? Feel free to share some of them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these health tips, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.